I am me. This is she. I am Melina. Welcome back to my channel, Zivas. I missed you guys. Did you guys miss me? Well, today we will be focusing on, I don't know if you remember when I first started my channel, I told you I wanted to highlight small businesses. So today it is Small Business Spotlight. Yes. So for today, our small business goes by the name of Misfitz Lane. It is based out of Australia and they sell these gorgeous pieces. You see all these gorgeous pieces on my body? Yes. Now, I do earrings a lot, but I don't do necklaces. And I always wanted to do the layered necklace look and I never got it right. They are teaching me how to get it right. The owner goes by the name of Rasheeda Coppedge, and she has many different pieces that are handmade by her herself. On their page, it says customized performance and festival pieces, accessories and more with street attitude. And I completely think they hit the nail on the mark. I mean, like, look at this drip. Look at this. Look at this drip. So first of all, let's check out these earrings. Okay. Let's holler at these earrings, okay? And then my necklace, it says blazed. And it has Nefertiti on it, if you can see it. Oh my gosh. She did send me some more pieces that I'd pay for these with my money. I like to support. So I did pick up some more pieces. I got these wonderful earrings. And unfortunately, these earrings are sold out. They do not sell them anymore, but they are so cute, little drop earrings. I don't have any hair. Well, at the moment I do. But so I have to play up my face. I cut my hair a lot. I like short hair. I don't care for long hair. So I play up my face with my jewelry and of course my makeup and my frames. Yeah, like these. So when I ordered it, I'm like, oh my goodness, it's coming from Australia. How is it going to be here in time? Is it going to be damaged? Am I going to get it at all? Customer service was A1. I mean, as soon as I expressed my concerns, they were like, oh, we put tracking on it. We'll make sure we'll keep you up to date. As soon as we, if anything goes on, we'll make sure you know. All my concerns were handled, so I loved it. I also got some other pieces. Again, I like long dangly earrings. And these are something I would throw on a good night out. Look at these. These are such cute pearls, guys. You like them? I was scared to order something. I mean, I got my, the last time I ordered lingerie from overseas. And again, it was the same thing. Like, the customer service is A1 shit. That's probably why all the people from overseas answer our phone calls, because they're nicer and they're better with customer service than we are, because this is ridiculous. So, and I also got these, and ironically, guess what the name of these are? These are called the Milas. And if you don't know why I'm so excited about it, is because that's my daughter's name. Yes, and I got them to be hype. But yes, I was really excited again. Shipping fast, customer service great. They have not turned on me. That's because, though, I always put on clear nail polish on all of my jewelry. So it prevents it from turning, if not for, like, it prevents it from turning and helps it last a little longer. But, I'm really excited about it. I don't wear my necklaces every day because I'm not a necklace person, but I'm trying. This is the main reason why I bought these two, because I looked on their page and saw that they was layered like this, and I was like, oh, okay, that's cute. I like it because I stay blazed. And I'm a queen. But other than that, like, I've been very satisfied. My ears don't hurt. That's another thing. Like, sometimes if you wear, costume jewelry or jewelry that's not 24 karat gold or anything like that, it irritates people sometimes. But these are pretty fine with me, and I have very, very sensitive skin. Like, I cannot wear anything. Like, I have to do those dab tests or whatever before I put anything on my body because I'm so sensitive. But these have been pretty good to me. Again, with my clear nail polish, I don't know if my body is used to that. But, yeah, these been good. Other than that, Zivas, thank you so much for tuning in for the Small Business Spotlight, and we'll see you for the next one.